Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you the chapter polynomials. Okay, so first of all we will study the basic concepts of polynomial. Okay, so let's start. So what's written over here, that the highest degree of x in Px is the degree of the polynomial. So first of all there is a question that what do you mean by degree of a polynomial. So here is clearly mentioned over here that the highest power of x in Px means in the polynomial Px, if there is a polynomial in the variable x. So the highest power of x is known as the degree of the polynomial. Okay, got it now? Now the highest power of x. So here an example is given that 4x plus 2 is a polynomial in the variable x. Okay, so you can see over here that this polynomial 4x plus 2 is the polynomial in variable x. So, and you can see over here that here the highest power of the variable x is 1. Okay, so we can say that this polynomial has a degree of 1. And then suppose here's another example that 2y square minus 3y plus 4 is a polynomial in variable y of degree 2. So how we can conclude that this polynomial has a degree of 2? So what we have studied over here, we have studied that the highest power of the variable is known as the degree of that particular polynomial. So you can see clearly over here that here in this polynomial in variable y has a highest degree of 2. So highest power of 2. So that's why we say that this polynomial 2y square minus 3y plus 4 has a degree of 2. You are getting now? So another example is mentioned over here, 5x cube minus 4x square plus x minus root 2 is a polynomial in variable x of degree 3. So here is the same question, that how we get that this polynomial has a degree of 3. So we can clearly see over here that this particular polynomial has the only variable x which has the highest power of 3. You can see now. So that's why we get that this polynomial has a degree of 3. Now let's study what is a linear polynomial. Okay, so here's mentioned that a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. So it's very simple, that any polynomial is given, if there's any polynomial and which has a degree of 1, okay, which has the highest power of 1, so we say that it is a linear polynomial. Got it now? So here example is mentioned that 2x minus 3 is a which type of polynomial? It's a linear polynomial. Why? Because it has a degree of 1. It has a highest power of